Hello friends, today I will show you how to add any link to your Instagram bio. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Without any delay, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile, then click on your profile icon in the bottom right. On your profile page, click on Edit Profile and scroll down a little bit. As you can see, the Add Link option is below your bio, so just click on this and go ahead. Click on Add an external link. Now you can just paste the URL, like your site URL, YouTube channel, or any other links that you want to add. I'm going to add my YouTube channel link here, so let me first copy the link from my channel. After pasting your link, enter the title of your URL and then click on this tick icon. Wait for a few seconds to complete and then go back to your profile. Now check if your link is working or not. Click on it. As you can see, my link is working and I have landed on my YouTube channel. That's how you can add a link to your bio. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, my friend, and have a good day.